Olá pessoal, hoje nós vamos ver uma dica de pronúncia, diferenciando os sons do CH e do SH, que muitas vezes é pronunciado errado por muita gente. Vamos ver na prática depois da nossa vinheta. Many people confuse these two sounds, the CH sound and the SH sound, the ch sound and the sh sound. Let's see some examples. Chair and share. Notice that they are differentiated by the first consonant only. Let's see it one more time. Chair and share. It seems to be an easy thing, right? But still, many people do it wrong. Let's take a look at a few common mistakes now. Potato chip, computer chip. But I see many times people saying sheep, computer sheep. It is chip. And we know sheep is another thing. More examples. Children, check. I also hear many times check-in. It is check-in. Well, people, let's be careful now that we know this important difference. And remember to practice. Thanks for watching.